Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2 in brackets is equals to what? 1, 16, 4 or square root of 1. So let's start with the today's video solution. So under square root 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2. So first, according to Bodmer's rule, we are going to solve the bracket. So 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2 is 4. Now according to Bodmer's rule, B, O, D, M, A, S. B means brackets that we already solved. Now we have two signs, division and multiplication. So first we did the division. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 4, that is 16. And square root of 16 is 4. So our final answer is option number C, that is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.